Unlock the immense power of artificial intelligence with Deepseek, your new gateway to groundbreaking problem-solving. This video will guide you through the diverse capabilities of the Deepseek AI model, showcasing its remarkable versatility and how it can tackle a wide array of tasks, making it an indispensable tool for innovation. Deepseek isn't a one-trick pony. Its architecture is designed for adaptability, allowing it to excel in areas ranging from complex scientific research to creative content generation. First, let's understand its core strength: pattern recognition. Deepseek can sift through massive amounts of data, identifying subtle trends and connections that human analysis might miss. Imagine analyzing customer feedback on a massive scale. Deepseek can quickly categorize sentiment, pinpointing areas of satisfaction and dissatisfaction with incredible accuracy. In the realm of healthcare, Deepseek can assist in diagnostics by identifying anomalies in medical scans, potentially aiding doctors in making faster and more informed decisions. For content creators, Deepseek acts as a powerful co-pilot. It can generate compelling narratives, draft marketing copy, and even spark new story ideas, accelerating your creative workflow. Developers will find Deepseek invaluable for code generation and debugging. It can help in writing efficient code snippets and identifying potential errors, saving hours of development time. The model's capabilities extend to sophisticated tasks like 3D model generation and optimization, opening up new possibilities for designers and engineers. From financial modeling to personalized educational experiences and even enhancing entertainment, applying Deepseek is about finding smart solutions to complex challenges. As you can see, Deepseek's applications are as broad as your imagination. Explore its potential and discover how this powerful AI can revolutionize your approach to problem solving.